Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making orange cake. There is one secret ingredient that brings great flavor to the cake. Watch till the end to know what it is. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it well. Next, I have about 1 cup of orange juice, freshly squeezed from oranges, and give it a nice mix. I have added about 3/4 cup of sugar because we don't like much of sweetness. So if you want a good sweet cake, then you can add about 1 cup. Mix it well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, I have used grated orange peels from 1 large orange. For the flour, I have used 1 cup of whole wheat flour and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Next, I have added 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix it well until everything is combined. The batter is supposed to be thick, so add half a cup of milk to loosen the batter and make it into a pouring consistency. Mix it well and make sure there is no lumps or dry flour left. I have prepared an 8-inch pan by rubbing some butter and coating it with flour. Transfer the batter to the prepared pan and spread it evenly. Give the pan a vigorous shake and few taps on the floor. By this time I have preheated my oven for 180 degrees Celsius. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. That's it, your flavorful orange cake is ready. Let it cool down completely before slicing and serving. This is kind of a crumbly cake but very flavorful because we have added the peels. The peels give a great flavor to the cake. Hope you enjoy it.